Let's talk about what's actually working for video editing in 2025. If you want your videos to feel fresh, elevated, and a little bit ahead of the curve, the first trend is what I like to call casual cinematic. Edits are starting to feel a little bit more organic, a little bit more homemade. I know I talk about her a lot, but Emma Chamberlain is a great example of somebody who's letting her edits breathe. She has lots of silent space. YouTube is also a passive platform where a lot of times you're just watching a video in the background of your life. If you're a millennial, you're folding laundry. If you're Gen A, you're playing Roblox. You're passively consuming it and you're almost co-regulating your nervous system with the video that you're watching. People are watching YouTube to relax. Trend 2 is tasteful VFX. Think like realistic sun flares or handheld movements. It's indiscernible between real life and VFX. It's about using VFX to enhance your story and not distract from it. Trend 3, hybrid aspect ratios. So in the past, I felt like you always had to match the aspect ratio and have everything cut the exact same way. Because of the different ways that we're taking videos, like on our iPhones, nobody thinks that your video is less professional because you have a widescreen shot and a vertical shot and a widescreen shot. I don't prefer editing like this. I like having everything in the same aspect ratio, but it is freeing to know that nobody cares. The hidden trick behind this is it also keeps the viewer's brain engaged because they're switching between watching vertical and widescreen. So it is kind of interesting as a visual trick, even though you'd think at first that it looks unprofessional. It's actually very normal now. And the last trend in video editing for this year is text as visual design. Even things like captions are becoming more stylized now. They carry tone. Text is no longer just informational, it's part of the aesthetic. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I make videos every 2 weeks on everything video editing, so you should subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.